The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues its legacy as one of the most trusted and practical commuter motorcycles, now refined to meet modern expectations while staying true to its roots. From the first glance, the bike presents a clean and familiar design with subtle updates that make it feel fresh without losing its identity. The body graphics are sharper, the paint quality feels more premium, and the overall fit and finish reflect Hero's long-standing experience in this segment. The front profile looks simple yet confident, and the fuel tank design balances style with practicality, making the motorcycle suitable for riders of all ages. Comfort has always been a strong point of the Splendor Plus, and the 2026 model builds on that reputation. The seat is long, well-cushioned, and designed to provide comfort for both the rider and the passenger, even on longer daily commutes. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, reducing strain on the back and shoulders during city rides. The handlebars are positioned naturally, and the footpegs offer a comfortable stance that makes stop-and-go traffic easier to handle. The instrument console is straightforward and easy to read, displaying essential information clearly without unnecessary distractions. Performance-wise, the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus focuses on smoothness, efficiency, and reliability rather than aggressive power. The engine delivers consistent and predictable performance, making it ideal for daily commuting. Acceleration is smooth, and the power delivery is tuned for city roads where practicality matters most. One of the biggest highlights remains its excellent fuel efficiency, which continues to be a major reason why the Splendor Plus is so popular among cost-conscious riders. The engine is also known for low vibration levels, contributing to a comfortable and stress-free riding experience. Safety is addressed through a balanced and stable chassis, dependable braking, and suspension that handles uneven roads with confidence. The bike offers predictable handling, which is especially important for new riders or those who prioritize safety over speed. The suspension setup absorbs road imperfections well, helping maintain stability and comfort on rough city streets. Visibility is enhanced with a bright headlamp and clear tail lamp, ensuring safer riding during night conditions and low-light environments. What truly sets the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus apart is its unique selling proposition rooted in trust and long-term ownership benefits. It is known for its low maintenance costs, widely available spare parts, and excellent resale value. The motorcycle is built to last, making it a dependable choice for riders who want a hassle-free ownership experience. Its simplicity is one of its greatest strengths, as it avoids unnecessary complexity while delivering exactly what most commuters need. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus is expected to remain affordable and competitive within the commuter motorcycle segment. It offers strong value for money by combining fuel efficiency, comfort, reliability, and low ownership costs into one package. This makes it an appealing option for students, professionals, and families looking for a dependable daily ride. In conclusion, the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus proves that a motorcycle doesn't need to be flashy or overly powerful to be successful. It focuses on what truly matters to everyday riders: reliability, comfort, efficiency, and affordability. With its refined design, dependable performance, and trusted reputation, the Hero Splendor Plus remains a smart and practical choice for anyone seeking a reliable commuter motorcycle in 2026.